the chords A, B and CD intersect outside the circle. If CP is 12, DP is 4 and AB is 2, find the value of AP. So if we take a diagram, we should annotate that carefully. So we're told that CP, that's that distance there, is to 12, and that DP is going to be this distance here, which is 4. We know that AB is 2, and we're missing length that we need to find AP is X. So for intersecting chords, AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. So what we're saying, AP times BP is equal to CP times DP. So X times X plus 2, because BP is X plus this 2 here, is equal to 12 times 4. So that becomes X times X plus 2 is equal to 48. We need to expand that bracket, so we get X squared plus 2X is equal to 48. Now we identify this as a quadratic. To solve a quadratic, we have to put it equal to 0. So taking 48 from both sides, we get X squared plus 2X minus 48 is equal to 0. So we now need to solve this. It's just factorise. Now either you can factorise it directly, or we use this method. Product is 1 times minus 48, which is minus 48. Sum is 2. We want two numbers when multiplied together we get minus 48, and when we sum them we get 2. With a bit of trial and improvement you can come up with minus 6 and 8. You can check that. The P, the product, minus 6 times 8 is minus 48. That agrees. And the sum, minus 6 plus 8 makes 2. That agrees as well. So these must agree to both parts of the statement. Then we write down the quadratic. We split the middle bit term out into minus 6x plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. We put these two together and factorise by grouping. So x and x is a common factor. It's got x brackets x minus 6. Here there's a common factor of 8. So we're going to get 8 brackets x minus 6 still equal to 0. If we've done this process right here and here, you should always end up with the same thing. So this now comes as a common factor, x minus 6, x plus 8 is equal to 0. So either x is equal minus 6 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 6, or x plus 8 is equal to 0, which gives x is minus 8. In the context of the question, that's not possible. We can't have a negative length. Therefore, AP is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to do intersecting chords. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.